Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete favorite contacts on your iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So friends, let us with you and let's get started. And to do this, first go on your iPhone to the Phone app. Then in the bottom left corner, go to Favorites. And that way you will see the entire list of favorite contacts. And in order to delete them, there are two ways. The first one, it's to click on Edit in the upper left corner. And then click on minus. And press Delete. Thus, the contact will be immediately removed from the favorites. The second way is not to click and change. Just swipe the contact from the right side to the left. Only you need to do it not a little bit at a time, and so sharply. It's like this. And this is also where you'll get the delete function, which you can click on. If you do it even faster, you might be able to delete that contact in one swipe. Friends, with these two methods you can easily delete your favorite contacts on your iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.